Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Redken One United is probably one of the most versatile hair treatments on the market, offering a remarkable 25 benefits in a single, easy-to-use spray. This multitasking marvel is designed to simplify your hair care routine, providing everything from conditioning and detangling to heat protection and frizz control, making it an indispensable tool for achieving healthy, beautiful hair with minimal effort. Number 5. Redken One United All-in-One Leave-In Conditioner. Discover the ultimate solution for all your hair needs. This multi-benefit treatment is designed to nourish and protect every hair type. No matter your hair texture, this leave-in conditioner is formulated to work wonders. It provides essential care for everyone. Shield your hair from heat styling damage with ease. This spray offers reliable protection, keeping your strands healthy. Say goodbye to knots and tangles. This powerful formula makes detangling a breeze, leaving your hair smooth and manageable. Experience the benefits of a paraben-free formula. It's designed to be kind to your hair while delivering exceptional results. Simplify your hair care routine with this versatile leave-in treatment. It's the only product you'll need for healthy, beautiful hair. What we like? This is the ultimate multitasker for your hair. It offers a comprehensive range of benefits, from detangling to heat protection and frizz control. If you're looking for a single product to simplify your routine and address multiple hair concerns, this is your go-to solution. What people say? It does exactly as instructed. It will detangle your hair quickly without breaking your strands, and best of all, hydrates your hair and keeps it from frizz. It makes my hair easier to brush through without feeling heavy or greasy. It gives me volume and helps detangle. My hair feels healthy and the consistency is great. Number 4. K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. Introducing a breakthrough in hair care. This patented mask offers lasting repair for even the most compromised hair. Tired of dry and frizzy strands? It works to bring back smoothness and manageability to your hair. Specifically designed to combat damage from chemical services. It targets and reverses the effects of bleach and color treatments. Experience visible results in just 4 minutes. It's a quick and effective solution for damaged hair. It also provides protection against heat styling. Keep your hair healthy and strong, no matter the styling routine. Discover the power of molecular repair. This leave-in treatment is your secret to revitalized, healthy-looking hair. What we like? Experience revolutionary hair repair in just minutes. This mask works at a molecular level to reverse damage from chemical and heat styling. If your hair is severely damaged, bleached, or color-treated and you want a quick yet effective solution, this is the product for you. What people say? My hair felt noticeably softer, smoother, and much easier to manage. It also helped reduce frizz and made my hair look healthier and more hydrated. A small amount goes a long way, so the bottle lasts longer than you might think. It uses a bioactive peptide that reconnects broken keratin chains inside the hair shaft itself, which is something a deep conditioner cannot do. Number 3. Redken All Soft Conditioner. Is your hair feeling dry and brittle? Our advanced formula is designed to deeply moisturize and hydrate, bringing life back to your locks. Experience a transformation as it softens and smooths every strand. Say goodbye to tangles and hello to beautifully manageable hair. Watch as it enhances your hair's natural shine, leaving it looking radiant and healthy. Get ready for compliments. Tired of struggling with knots? This conditioner works as an effective detangler, making combing through your hair a breeze. It's the perfect solution for anyone seeking softer, smoother, and shinier hair. Give your hair the care it deserves. What we like? Quench your dry, brittle hair with deep hydration. This conditioner is designed to soften, smooth, and boost shine, making your hair feel incredibly touchable. If you struggle with dryness and lack of softness, this product will bring life back to your locks. What people say? After the first use, my hair felt softer, easier to detangle, and had a really nice shine. It doesn't weigh my hair down and leaves it feeling smooth like I just left the salon. It deeply moisturizes without causing any greasiness, which is a huge win. The weight is perfect, rich enough to condition thoroughly but not so heavy that it weighs hair down. My hair feels stronger, smoother, and more manageable after each wash, which speaks to the durability of the results over time. The difference is very noticeable. My hair looks so much more healthy. It's so soft and can go around 2 to 3 days without my hair getting oily. Number 2. Milkshake Leave-In Conditioner Spray. Tired of knots and tangles? Our leave-in conditioner spray is here to help. It makes detangling your natural hair a breeze. Specifically designed for natural hair, this spray nourishes and softens. Achieve smoother, more manageable locks with ease. Experience deep hydration that brings out your hair's natural shine. It leaves your strands feeling soft and looking healthy. Our lightweight formula won't weigh your hair down. Enjoy the benefits of a detangler without any greasy residue. Simply spray it on damp or dry hair and comb through. It's the perfect addition to your daily hair care routine. This gentle yet effective spray detangles while protecting your hair. It's the perfect solution for everyday manageability. What we like? Effortlessly detangle and condition your natural hair. This spray is perfect for managing knots and providing lightweight moisture without weighing hair down. If you have natural or textured hair that needs easy detangling and conditioning, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It is a multi-benefit leave-in conditioner that offers 25 benefits in one bottle. It helps to detangle hair, reduce dryness, and protect against heat damage. It leaves hair feeling soft, smooth, and manageable without weighing it down. Number 1. Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate Shampoo. Discover the ultimate solution for damaged hair. This revolutionary shampoo is designed to strengthen and repair weak, brittle strands from within. Formulated with citric acid, it works to intensely condition and rebuild your hair's bonds. Experience visibly healthier and more resilient hair. Say goodbye to breakage and hello to stronger, smoother hair. It effectively targets damage, leaving your locks revitalized. Our gentle, sulfate-free formula cleanses without stripping essential moisture. It's the perfect choice for maintaining hair health. See and feel the difference with every wash. It transforms compromised hair into stronger, healthier-looking strands. Unlock the power of concentrated bonding care. It's the professional solution for repairing and protecting your hair. What we like? Rebuild and strengthen your hair from within. This shampoo targets weak and brittle strands, repairing damage and improving overall hair integrity. If your hair is prone to breakage and you need a powerful, sulfate-free formula to restore its strength, this is the one to try. What people say. My hair was feeling dry and damaged, and after just a few washes it already feels softer, smoother, and way more manageable. It lathers really well so you don't need a ton, and it leaves my hair feeling clean without stripping it. I've also noticed less breakage and frizz. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.